allow you guys to start. Hey guys, it's Jade and I'm bringing you a new video to allow you guys to see me through my natural hair journey. And I'm starting it off today with the big chop. Yes, the big chop. I'm going straight in. I'm not gonna play around anymore. I'm going straight to it. And I'm a little nervous, I'm a little excited, but you know, it is what it is. So a little backstory on my hair. I've been getting perms since I was about 11, 12 years old, so about 10 years now. So I really don't know what my natural hair looks like, the texture or anything like that. I'm really interested to see like the curl pattern, you know, exactly how my hair is gonna look. So I'm really excited for that, but I'm also nervous just about how am I gonna look, you know? Like, I don't know if I'm gonna like it or not. And see, that's why before I was actually deciding to basically just transition, like cut my hair off and just keep it, letting it grow and cutting it off every little bit, but not getting perms anymore. So that was what I was gonna do, but then I just decided, like, let's just go ahead and go full-fledged. Like, my hair's gonna grow faster if I go ahead and just cut it all off, so like I might as well just do that. So I haven't gotten a perm for like about 3 months now. You can kind of tell, but oh, and also this is not my hair. This is definitely a ponytail, but you will be able to see my hair later on in the video when I show you guys, or allow you guys to see me as I begin cutting my natural hair off. So just stay tuned and keep watching so that you guys can see it. Thanks. Okay guys, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. I've already co-washed my hair off camera, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and section it off just so that it'll be a little easier.
Railgun Marshmallow on the beat.
Okay, so go. I'm scared. I'm so scared.
You're gonna cut that? Jay, don't cut that.
I'm cutting my hair.
Don't cut it.
Oh, it's official.
Railgun Marshmallow on the beat.
Oh wow. Okay. Not too much, not too much.
Railgun marshmallow on the beat.
So, I look kind of crazy right now, but I mean, ultimately, I think it was a good decision on my way to starting a healthy hair journey. Now I'm going to just keep, I guess, chopping through, getting more of that perm off, because I see a lot of straight pieces, mixed in here. But after that, I'm going to start a hair treatment on my hair, natural hair treatment, whatever you want to call it, I don't know. And then I'll come back and show you my final results. Okay, so I am now completely finished with chopping my hair off completely. I can still see some areas, that need to be chopped a little, that are a little straight, but I'll just have to get at that in due time. But as for now, I went ahead and went in and just drenched my hair completely, and then I put in Cantu's leave-in conditioner and I think it's something Shine Custard, and I just put that all over my hair just to enhance my curls. And then I went ahead and did my edges with the Eco Styler gel, the olive oil, the green one. So that was really it, and now I'm completely finished. Honestly, I'm kind of surprised. Like, it looks good to me. I'm not disappointed at all, but it definitely is gonna take some getting used to. And I'm just excited to see where this journey is gonna take me, and I look forward to the different styles I get to try and work with. So just help me out and list some different things that you use on your hair, or list some different styles that you guys try, and just to help me out through this journey, because I'm going in with no knowledge at all. So thanks, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video below, and come back. Thanks.